Of something out of Star Wars, actually, out of the cafe.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but very cool song, and that's remind me of Star Wars. So really cool.
I'd forgotten about that reference.
The song is just completely altered for me now. The guys are
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
Yeah.
that aside, as usual, is a great tune, very well written, very well played.
Oh yeah, and the thing is, we've heard this. I think we've heard and reviewed this song before, but after listening to it in context with all the rest of their material, it kind of shows a slightly different side of them with, dare I say, a little bit of humor. So.
Well, right on. So next up, we're gonna get two off the Bird Language EP. It's called Evil, and dig this, Gypsy Ghost.
I don't like what I've been told. There's a place you just shouldn't go. Evil, evil. I don't like what I've been shown. There's a place you just shouldn't go. Evil, evil, evil. Take a look around, tell me what you see. Good, bad, or when you set it free. Tell me what you're gonna do. Which choice will you make? Which path will you take?
Gypsy Ghost with Evil. And that is such a good tune. I love Andy's vocals on that one. Like really kind of low, and but he's really kind of it's a high pitch where he needs to, but not kind of overdoing it. So he really did it very well.
Yeah, I thought they captured the mood very nicely. It's a little spooky, it's a little unsettling, and yeah, they conveyed it very well.
And I just have to ask, so are we playing these tracks in order?
Yes, we are.
Okay, that was a great follow-up to the previous, the Repeat, because it just completely changed the mood, and I have to give them a lot of credit, because one of the most difficult things that you have to do when you're putting together an EP or a CD, LP, is song order, and they did a great job on that. This is such a cool tune.
You know, and speaking of albums and EPs coming out, there's a new one coming out probably another like 3 or 4 months. But next week we'll have a brand new one by him, and we have a brand new one by Steck in Verona for next week.
Oh, fabulous.
So looking forward to that. It's called Forgetful, and it's on SoundCloud right now. But we're going to get to more Gypsy Ghost. I just wanted to mention that as well, because Rob emailed me earlier this week and sent me the track, and I was like, well, no, this is great. Another good kind of falsetto play, and really good, a lot of good overlays.
Cool. He's one of our favorites.
So yeah, exactly. So very excited for next week's show. So next up, we're gonna play another song by Gypsy Ghost off their EP called Bird Language. The song is called Devil. Dig this.
Devils come at you far from your home, possessing your body and mind. Sweet pain and sweet pleasure that rattles the bone, gives you those faraway eyes. I know it all too well that you might drown in love. You might drown in love. Everything bitter, all we done wrong. You might drown in love. You might drown in love. All things considered, words from a song. You battled your great fear of being alone, letting a demon inside. Pushes and pulls and tears you apart, left you with no place to hide. I know it all too well that you might drown in love. You might drown in love. Everything bitter, all we done wrong. You might drown in love. All things considered, words from a song. How did it start? Where will it end? How did it start? Where will it end? I know it all too well that you might drown in love. You might drown in love. Everything bitter, all we done wrong. All things considered, words from a song. You might drown in love. 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 You might drown in love.
Gypsy Ghost with Devil off the Bird Language EP, and that was probably the best harmonization I've heard throughout all the songs we've heard so far.
Yeah, I was very impressed by that, as well as talk about taking chances. They're using a diminished chord and a 2-chord vamp in the verses. That takes a lot of guts, and they pulled it off very nicely.
They did indeed. And actually, I was thinking about the vocals too. I mean, oh my God, he's come such a long way. I mean, he was good to begin with, but just there's so much more depth and character to the vocals now. It's incredible.
You know what? Just before we get to one of the last songs off the EP, actually the last song of the EP, when I did the interview with Patrick and Andy, Andy was saying that the producer they have now has been very good because he's a friend, but at the same time too is he kind of lets you know where you're going wrong, whether you had to hit higher octave or lower octave and that sort of thing, or kind of keep steady with what you're doing. So it's been a huge improvement and a huge help to them as well.
Oh yeah, I mean, a good producer can make or break you, and yeah, they're on the right track with this.
That's great.
Well, right on. So the last song we have here from the Gypsy Ghosts off their Bird Language EP is called Future Past, Present Shame. Dig this.
the ways in which you mock. Learn all the things I can learn from my thoughts. It's up to you, the path you choose. It's up to you, the path you choose. Look into the future, past the present, sit in shame. Overcoming trials and tests, a bright pathways. Hidden treasures, pleasures, have led to travels far from home. Realize and realign the power that you hold. It's up to you, the path you choose. It's up to you, the path you choose. Make a choice, gotta make a choice. We make a choice, make a choice. It's up to you, it's up to you.
Right on. That was Gypsy Ghost with Future, Past, Present, Shame off their EP Bird Language, and it was the last song. And really love this. Like, really the tempo of it. Kind of really get into it. Kind of easy, kind of nod your head to, and kind of really get into.
Yeah, it had a great beat, great rhythm going on, and musically very sophisticated. I'd have a hell of a time singing to that,
Yes, you would.
but he did a great job.
Yeah, to me, it just absolutely exemplifies how sophisticated they are, and yeah, this is terrifically difficult music, folks. It's and I have to call out a couple. I love the bass player. Just did a great job. The vocals were stellar. All the interplay between the instruments. This is so intricate, and just we are so fortunate to have bands of this quality on New Music Saturday. It's just amazing.
You're absolutely right. So the last song we'll get to for tonight off the Gypsy Ghosts is called Tango. It's off their new album called Madmen Only, which we did hear last Saturday on New Music Saturday. So dig this. And if you guys are up for it, we might do one more show of just kind of just random music and just for fun, to have fun. So let's do this for now.